Hey guys, Isaac here. So today we're going to do some of the same stuff you guys are going to do. We're going to do word sentences with adding and subtracting like you've been doing in class. So we're going to do word Legos today. So we're all going to get one of these, and we're going to work 2 people per 1 box of Legos. And look, before we start, I'm going to give you a couple rules about Legos. You cannot share. So whatever you have in your box, you can't give to anybody else. So if you 2 are sharing a box, you can't give any to these 2. And if you're missing a piece, then tell me and I'll help you get one. Okay.
If me and anyone work together, I can
Give anybody else a piece from your box. Exactly. And so, hold on 1 second. So when we're building, we're gonna follow the instructions very carefully. We're also gonna be using our listening ears, so I'm gonna help you guys out because we're doing something a little bit different than what the worksheet says. Okay. All right. I'll help you divide it up. It doesn't really matter. You 2 want to work together? Okay. Can you and Kaylee work together? Okay. I have more.
I'm working with some maps.
Can you work with Kaylee?
How do you get the
Missing. So we have you 2, we have you 2. Okay. Okay, hold on. Why don't you guys all give me your lids? And I'll put them on the ground. Hold on, wait 1 second, everybody. Fire. Hold on a second. Okay, so guys, use your listening ears.
Are we using all of them?
No. Okay. Everybody, look, hands out the Legos. Don't touch anything yet. Hands out. Okay, here, this is my cup. This is here 2. Hold on 1 second. You 2 are going to share. You 2, 1 second. You 2 are going to share. And you 2 are going to share. Max, hands out. Okay. So everybody, listen to me real fast, and then you can ask me a question. Alright guys, eyes up here. Hands out of the box. Tiger, eyes up here. You guys see this right here? Everybody see this? This is what you're going to pull out all these pieces. Tiger, look at me please. So look, hold on. Everybody, how many of these dark green pieces do you see? 1, 2, 3. So how many of these? 3. 1, 2, 3. So everybody pull out 3 dark green pieces. Work together. Hold on, I'm going to switch boxes with you for some time. Hold on, put that one down.
Big, we only have big. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, so have everybody pulled out 3 together, working in your group? Have everybody pulled out? No, I'm sorry, everybody pulls out 3 of their own. So you pull out 3, you pull out 3. You pull out 3.
We only have 2, but we don't have a bucket. We don't even have a bucket.
Yes.
Do we build our own of them?
No, you're each building your own.
Yeah,
So,
we have to follow that.
we're going over together. Everybody have 3 dark green pieces. Don't stack them, pull them apart. Okay, so next, everybody look at me. Ashley, look at me. How many lime green pieces do you see? 1, 2, 3. So everybody pull out 3 lime green pieces.
Is there any more?
Do you have 3?
Yeah.
Tight. Hold on 1 second. We're getting a little confused in our lime green pieces. We're using the square lime green.
I got 2 red. I have 1.
You have 1. Okay, let's see. How many you have? 2?
I give you 2.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Does everybody have 3 besides you? Okay, let me give you 3.
2 red pieces.
Okay, hold on. Wait, don't go ahead. We're doing this together. Tiger here. Thank you. Okay, so then next, like everybody, let's count how many. Oh wait, we're not gonna do red yet. You see this big gray piece? Everybody take 1 big gray piece. Everybody have 1 gray piece? All right, so now it's gonna be tricky, so everybody listen to me. We're gonna take out 20 each little red pieces. So we're gonna count really carefully.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
I'll help you.
20.
You have 20? Okay, put yours down. How many you have? Yes, ma'am. Can you count right here? I'm just going to keep them on the table.
1,
feel better soon, okay?
Because there's no more reds in here.
How many do you have right here?
I don't have it anymore.
Okay, hold on. How many do you have right here? Look, there's some more right there, I think.
18. 12 red pieces. And they're all gone.
What?
We got 15.
Okay, everybody, hold on. If you don't have enough, put your hand on your head, and I'll be there in a second. Keep your mouth shut.
I got 20.
You have 20? Okay. How many do you have in your hands?
20.
Okay, if you have 20, that's okay. Okay.
I got a spyglass. 12 I have 12.
Okay.
I can't see nobody.
Okay. Can you count out of here and get to 20? I'm coming. Hold on.
I have 12.
You have 12. How many do you have?
I have 20.
You have 20? Okay.
Can I get a bucket?
No, hold on 1 second. 1 second. How many? You have 12? Okay, so now you have 20. Who doesn't have 20? You have 20. You have 20. I counted yours. Okay, so everybody. Thank you. All right, everybody, eyes up here. Look at me. Is this mine? This is mine. Everybody, eyes up here, please. Essence, I'm waiting on you. Landon, I'm waiting on you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, eyes up here, please. Is everybody listening? Are you listening? Okay. Okay, so guys, look. Everybody has one of these pieces of paper. Now we're gonna build this, but we're not putting the red pieces on yet. Does everybody hear that? We're not putting the red pieces on yet. But we're gonna build this picture, and I can help you. But we're actually not gonna use the guys yet. So we're gonna leave them in there. But we're gonna, sorry, I didn't mean to hit your head. We're gonna build this.
Can we use the knife?
You can only, we're not using the guy. You're only using the pieces that are on here. The pieces you have in front of you, but we're not using the red yet. Does everybody understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like pieces don't use.
Not yet. Does that look like the picture? You're sharing the picture, so we're going to put the picture in the middle.
We hope to do this.
Help each other out. We're working together as a team. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Oh, if you're done, you're going to wait real patiently. We're going to let everybody finish. Since we have all the pieces you need, I'm going to take back your Lego box for now, okay? Just so it gives us some more table room. I really like how you're helping out Walker. That looks great.
Okay, you have to see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it through a step right there, okay?
Thank you for helping.
Does it look the same? Yes. That's the side. Jalissa, I helped him like that.
Landon, can you help her?
I'm working with Ashley, but I work with you too.
You don't need the box. You have all the pieces you need in front of you.
We're working together.
Thank you. No, you don't need the guys. We don't have enough of those. Okay, so everybody have it built. Okay. Can you sit on your bottom, please?
Julissa needed another one of them.
She needs another one of those. Here you go, Julissa. Can you help her build hers? Here, leave those there,
I
please.
can build hers.
That's okay. We don't need her to. I'll build them. That's why don't you try to finish. You need some help? Tiger, can you help her? Tiger's gonna help you. Why don't you guys work together and finish this?
This is What are we going to do?
I'm gonna show you, but we're gonna hang on a minute first.
See, look, yours is a stack.
It's okay if they're a little different. That's okay. But that looks good. I like how. What are you doing, bud?
Okay, now that's fine.
All right, stick the green ones on.
No, he didn't say put the red one on.
Okay, no red ones yet. All right, everybody. Thank you. No, okay, here, put it down. All right, everybody, eyes up here on me now. We're gonna do some math. Is everybody looking at me? I'll sit here. Okay, everybody, get your piece of paper in front of you. Put it in the middle between you two. All right, so everybody, I'm gonna read the question right here. You're gonna follow me along with your eyes, and then we're gonna talk about it. Okay? So it says there are 15 berries on the bushes all together. Max and I each picked some. Together we pick 8 berries. How many berries are left on the bushes together? Okay, look, these red pieces right here are your berries. So how many, excuse me, wait, we're not doing it yet. Everybody look at me. Ashley, look at me. Oh, Jules, look at me. So how many berries are we gonna put on the bushes?
15.
Thank you. So everybody put 15 of these red berries onto your thing. Okay?
Can we put them wherever?
Wherever you want on there. But count carefully, make sure there's 15. We're gonna count in our minds so we don't confuse each other. I'm gonna grab some pencils. You guys keep working for me. Counting in your mind, please, Max. Okay, when you're done, just hold on for 1 second. When you're done, put your hand on your head. Excuse you. Do you have 15 on here? Okay, finish it up.
Yes, you have mine.
We can share. You should have 1, 2, 3.
Where's my rest?
They're right there, and then these are the rest of his. We're using peaceful words, okay? They bought it. You have 12 on here? You need 3 more. 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you put 3 more on here? Alright, when you're done, put your hand on your head. Okay, who are we waiting on? You almost done?
Yep.
Alright, how are you doing? We're working together, so we're not copying each other. We're working together. 15, so you're done, you're done, you're done. How many you have on here? So you need to put... You need to put 1 more. Alright. Okay, guys. So look, everybody, are we looking at me? Are we being peaceful? Okay. So 15 berries on the bush altogether. Max and I each pick some. Together we pick 8 berries. I think you are. Okay, guys. So there are 15 berries, and Max and I each pick some. Together we pick 8 berries. So are we adding or subtracting? Are we adding? If we together we pick some 8 berries. So we're here and we're picking 8. So are we taking 8 off or putting 8 on? Off, exactly. So can everybody take 8 berries off? Can everybody take 8 berries? I don't know, we'll see. Yes, you can. Okay, so you took 8 off. Count, let's see how many you have. Count in your mind. You had 15, you took 8 off. Okay, hold on.
7.
You had 15 on. I think you might have taken it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 6.
Okay, everybody, sit down and don't say your answer in your mind yet. Ashley, are you done? Okay. Here, sit back. Hands in your lap if you're done. Put it down. Hands in your lap if you're done. No, not right now. Okay. So everybody get your pencils out. Everybody grab a pencil from the middle. That's okay, you don't need one. Okay, so we're going to fill out this chart together. Everybody see these right here? We're filling out this part. And it already put the 15 there for us, so it's already helping us out. So we had 15 berries, and Max and his friend took out, how many berries did they take? 8. They took out 8, so where does what number go? 15 minus, where does the 8 go? Good job. And then equals, how much is it equal? Everybody count your berries and how many do you have left?
I got 8.
You should have, only say it one time guys, you should have 7 left. I think some people might have taken off too many. How many do you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Just cross it out. 7.
8.
Okay. 7 is, guys, the correct answer is 7, but it's okay if you got it wrong because we just weren't careful when we took off the berries. So on our next problem, we're going to be a lot more careful taking off the berries because some people took off too many at a time. You guys listening to me? Okay, so
That's not how much. 12 is not that.
the answer is 7. So we had 15 berries, we took away 8, and so we have 7 left.
I don't have a razor.
That's okay, just cross it out.
I have 7 now.
Okay, so everybody,
My berries are out.
that's okay, we're going to start over in a second. Alright guys, I need everybody to look up here. Pencils down, Joel, so pencils down. Actually, look up here, pencils down. Landon, eyes up here. Okay, everybody look, we're going to make a number sentence now. We're going to draw them so we can show what happened with our Legos, okay? So everybody has one piece of paper. Does everybody have a piece of paper? Tiger, you don't. Julissa, you don't. Okay. So now we're going to draw, flip it over on this side. No, flip it over. It's on the blank side. Blank side up. Blank side up. You're only feeling on that side. Here, you have a seat and I'll help you with that in a second. Okay, so everybody look, we're going to draw them together. Everybody get your pencil, pick up a pencil, and follow along with me. Max, we're not doing that right now. Okay, how many circles are we going to draw? 15? Because there were 15 berries on the bush all together. So everybody count with me, we're going to draw 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Does everybody have their 15 berries? Count them in your mind for me. Okay, so then what happens? 15 berries in the bush. Max and I, guys, we're not playing with the Legos right now. If we can't follow directions, we're going to have to stop. Put those down. Here, it's fine. Put them down on the table, please. Okay, so we have 15, and then what happened to this 15? We took away how many?
8.
Let's be peaceful. 8. So what are we going to do?
We're gonna eat the trash.
Exactly. Thank you for listening, Landon. So we're going to take away 8. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys, this is not a race. We're not racing each other. So if you finish early, you just think that in your minds. Okay, so now we're gonna, everybody count with me how many we have left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You didn't cross out the right amount. You missed one when you were counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yep, that's exactly right. So you guys, now we're gonna make a number sentence. Hold it down. Okay, so we're gonna make the number sentence together. Ready? What number are we gonna put first?
15.
Thank you. So everybody write down a 15 for me. And then are we adding or are we subtracting?
Subtracting.
So what are we gonna write? A minus sign. And how many did we take away?
8.
Great job.
8 equals 7.
Equals 7 because we didn't. 7 of them weren't crossed out. Okay, so we're getting ready. 15. Count them out. How many you have drawn, and then how many crossed out, and how many equals. I'll help you in a second if you need help. So guys, we're getting ready to do a second problem, and if you're not ready, I'll help you. But look, we're going to read it together, and this time when we count out our berries, we're going to be really careful. When we put them on, we're going to put them on in a way that's easy to take them off. So maybe we shouldn't stack them like this a ton. Maybe we shouldn't have them all in a row that's hard to get apart. So when we take off the number we're taking off, we need to really be careful so it equals the right number in the end. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Can you hold on one second? Okay, so everybody look, follow along with your eyes when I read number 2 on our paper. Everybody have their paper in between the two of you? Okay, so there are 18 berries on the bush altogether. Mia and I each pick some. 4 berries are left on the bush. How many berries do we pick? So how many berries are we going to put on our bush? How many? 18. So everybody, as carefully as you can.
Well, my berry
As
fell.
carefully as you
Well,
can,
my
put
berry
18
fell.
berries. Pick them up.
I can't find
I
it.
think you can. So we're going to put 18 berries on here very carefully, okay?
Okay.
Everybody count out 18 berries and put them on.
Good.
Very carefully, counting very carefully. Make sure you pick up the pieces you dropped. Those are the ones that Landon dropped, right?
No, I got
Did you pick up all of yours?
I
Okay.
forgot my count.
You forgot what?
My count because it broke.
What do you mean your count? Just count them again. Oh, what is this number? 18. So putting 18 on. Angela, are you working? Make sure you have 18 on there.
That's where mine.
That was really peaceful the way that you guys handled that. Thank you, Ashley.
I think it has to be over.
Count them. You have 18. So just hang on. That's all you need on there.
I didn't take off.
That's okay. That's completely fine. So when you get to 18, we're going to be really patient. We're going to have our hands off and we're just going to wait for everybody to finish. You need one more on there.
I don't have all my berries. I only have. I did. Can you finish some? Because I don't. Wait, these must be yours then. Or you saw yours on the floor.
It's okay. We just had 2 extra. So when we're done, we're just going to wait.
Tiger, I think that's too much.
I don't.
That's right.
You need one more on there.
I do it.
Okay.
Is mine right? No.
Can you count them for me?
8, 6.
Okay. Count your mind for me, please. Perfect.
12.
She has hers. I counted hers. Perfect. Okay, everybody. So,
18.
okay. Everybody, put them on the table and look at me, please. Okay, we're gonna read guys. We're gonna read the problem again, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do next. Okay. So there are 18 berries. Everybody already put 18 on their bush. Mia and I picked some. 4 berries are left on the bush. How many berries do we pick? So there are only 4. You pick all of them off, and there are only 4 remaining. So what are we gonna do? If we wanna only have 4 on there, what are we doing? We're subtracting. So we're gonna. I love the way that you just did that. That was really cool. So he took off all of his berries except for 4. Can everybody else do that too? And then when you take them off, separate them and put them on the table and count them in your mind. Take all of them off except for 4. How many's on there? More than 4? Not yet. So take all of them off except for 4. And when you've done that, you can do your number sentence. Can you please do your number? No. Can you please do your number sentence? Can you please do your number sentence? Can you please do your number sentence? No, we're gonna get a new piece of paper. You have all of them except for 4. So how are you gonna find out how many you took off? What are you gonna do? You're gonna count them, right? So count your berries.
14.
We're gonna keep that in your mind, and then after you write your number sentence, you're gonna draw a picture and see if you were right. Okay? Okay. So did you hear what I just said?
Everyone must
That's okay. So everybody, listen to me. You're going, after you take off all your berries but 4, you're going to count all the berries you took off. You're going to write that number down, and then you're going to draw the circles and write a number sentence and see if your answers are the same. Okay? No.
Can I circle how much?
Yes, please.
Why am I dry?
You take away all of them but 4. So cover up 4 and take off the rest of them. Covering up 4. Cross off all the other ones.
I did 14.
Okay, but remember we said we're going to keep that answer in our mind. So just wait. Can you write a number sentence?
A 9.
Okay, well that's awesome. Can you wait and just...
Can I flip it over?
Not right now.
Flip it over to this side.
Yes, that's a great idea. Yes. Okay, hold on. Let's wait for everybody to kind of get there and then I'll help you. Okay, so count how many you crossed off and write a number sentence just like that. Okay, I'm gonna come around and help everybody, okay? Alright, let me see. How many, you got that answer, you counted that. That's incredible. So how many of these did you draw? How many should you have drawn? 15 is the 18. You should have drawn 18 circles. What is your question? You guys, why did we draw? Okay, that is great. You guys, eyes up here for a second. Why did we draw 18 circles on our paper?
Because it take way too long to make the pattern.
No, because 18 is what you started with. So that's why you have to draw that many, right? Take away, well, I'd say you took everything away but 4. So you're going to cross out all of them until you get to 4. Just like when you had your Legos and you took off all of them except for 4. 18 circles. Drew your number sentence just like you did here. Just like you did earlier.
So first I do 8. This way.
Exactly. That's exactly right. But now you just have to do it with circles too. Where are your 4? What is this representing? Because you took off all of them except for 4. So leave 4 on. Leave these 4 and take off all the other ones.
Equals 18.
So how many is this? Yeah. Count them.
Is it 18 equals 14 that I did?
No. So 18 minus blank equals 4. Exactly. I love the way that Walker knew to put a box.
We can't take them.
Exactly. So then you took away all of them but 4. So you're crossing off all of these.
Am I right?
And this is what's remaining. So you want to count all of these to see what that answer equals. Exactly right, but now you just have to count it. How many did you cross off? Count those and that's number 1.
14.
No, you didn't. You crossed off 4. Yeah, okay, so your number's just in the wrong place. So yeah, you're exactly right. You took away 14, but that equals 4. That's how many are left. Exactly right. How are you doing? Okay, so 18, and then you took away all of them but 4. So cross off all of them but these 4. And then when you're done, you're just going to hang on. Okay? 18, where's your number? Where is this? 18, that is perfect. Lynn, I'm really proud of you. So can you just wait patiently for me? And equal, you have 11. But do it kind of on the table. You should have 14.
Oh, it's kind of like that.
Great job. That is perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we got
If you're done, you can just play with your Legos on here for a few minutes until everybody's done.
Oh, can we use all of them?
Just those, yes. Where's yours? This one? 8. This is yours? That's perfect. So everybody is done right now. Almost, not quite. And then you should have one more, so 14. So that's exactly right. So now we're going to draw this together. I'll help you. Here, use this piece of paper. So you're going to draw, how many bears are you going to draw? 18. Okay. So you took away all of them except for 4. Hold on, let me help you. So you're going to cross out all of them except for these 4.
5 berries, 5.
Lenny, can you set your bottom on your chair for me, please? I really like the way that Ashley is working quietly by herself while we wait for our friends to finish. Okay. Alright, hold on. Let me help you. You gotta write a number sentence now. So how many berries does it keep in this one? Thank you. Good back. Alright, focus right here. How many berries did you draw total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that number goes first? Okay, 18. And how many did you cross out?
I winter in Minecraft.
That is almost perfect, but the only thing is your box. How the box was your unknown, and we were figuring out how many you took away. You knew you had 4 left, so you wanted to figure out how many you took away until you got to 4. So your unknown was actually right here. But other than that, that was perfect, and I really love the way that you use your circles to help you figure that out. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to give you back your boxes. Everybody, are you listening to me? So I'm going to give you back your boxes, and between your 2 partners, you're going to put your stuff back in your box very carefully, taking everything apart. Max, are you listening to me? Alright, so Max, Walker, I'm going to actually have you put yours and Kaylee's away, because she's not here, okay? And you're putting them back in the same place you got them in, the best you can remember. Hold on 1 second. And Landon, you've dropped a lot of pieces on the ground, so I'm going to have to get you to be real careful and pick them up so you're done, okay? Thank you actually for picking them up like that.
I already got my pieces. We're dead.
Alright, yes ma'am.
No.
You were playing with them while I was helping Julissa, weren't you? Yes. No, we're not going to do that today. We don't have time. Can you pick up the pieces you just dropped? I really like the way you guys are putting them away so carefully. I really appreciate that. Yes, ma'am. What? Not right now. No, we're not going to use those today. Right now, we're only putting pieces away. Yes. When I pick up the boxes, you can help me pick those up. That would be awesome. That's okay. Not right now. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so when you have all your pieces picked up, I'm going to give you a... Whoa. Lay down the table. Don't pick them up. Max, can you hear me? So put your lid back on. Walker, here we go. Hold on. Yes, sir. Are you Ben? No, not yet. Can you help Essence? Thank you. Can you wait till Essence is done, and then you can put the lid on, Tiger. Thank you. When you're done, you can stack your box in the middle. I love the way you guys are listening to directions so well. I really appreciate it. Whoa, be careful. Be a big mess if there's food on the floor. That would be so bad. And then when you're done, you can send your bottom in your chair, please.
And we would have to, we would take it
Okay, but look, I see some red pieces over there. Can you pick those up?
Oh, they're not my
Wait, hold on, Tiger. Let me pick those up first. Thank you. Can you put them right here?
Okay, but I'm putting both of them in that.
That would be great. And then I have another one. I'm going to step over you really carefully. Don't. Landon, can you leave them on the table for me? Here you go. You can put that one in. Thank you. Okay. And we're going to make another stack. We're not going to put yours right here. Thank you. And can you actually can you pick up those few pencils remaining? Actually, wait. Can I wait a sec? Oh yeah, that's fine. Can you please give her your pencil? Thank you. I did. Let me turn it off now.
Thank you.
You can just stack them up on the table.
I guess we should. Why can't we keep them?
Yes, sir.
You want me to put those